Microsoft sometimes refers to Visual Studio 2010 Express as Visual Web Developer 2010 Express. This course refers to it as Visual Studio. Visual Studio 2010 Express is a freeware version of the Visual Studio Integrated Development Environment, optimized for web application development. Microsoft provides this version free of charge for students and hobbyists, so that they can learn to use Visual Studio without having to purchase the product. To begin this lesson, open Visual Studio if it isn't open already. We are now going to check your version of Visual Studio. Click Help, About Microsoft Visual Web Developer 2010 Express. The two highlighted version numbers are the important ones. This course uses Microsoft Visual Studio version 10 and Microsoft .NET Framework version 4. If you have an earlier version, please follow the steps in Lesson 1.1 to upgrade to the latest version. Some users have reported that they had to uninstall and reinstall Visual Studio in order to upgrade. If you have a later version, it's not a problem, but some of the things described in this course might behave slightly differently. Next, we're going to check your operating system version. Click the System Info button on the right. The System Information dialog appears. You should see your operating system name and version in the top right of the window. This course uses Microsoft Windows 7 version 6 Service Pack 1. You can still use this course if you have Windows XP, Windows Vista, or a different version of Windows 7, but some of the items described may behave slightly differently. Close the System Information dialog. Click OK to close the About dialog. And close Visual Studio. You've now completed Lesson 1.2. Check your Visual Studio and Windows version.